भी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता।
नहीं, गाली नहीं देना।
फैमिली देखती है, वरना मैं ऐसे गाली दूं, ऐसे गाली दूं ना, जिंदगी भर याद रखें ये बड़े भाई।
अरे भाई
Do it like that. Do it like.
It's first day of pre-season, and as you can see that I'm getting ready to go to training. So this is an insight to whatever happens behind the scenes.
गाइस तुम लोग एसी एंजॉय करो, हम गर्मी में जाके ट्रेनिंग करेंगे। से हाय फ्रॉम योर कंफर्टेबल लाइफ। बाय कब, बाय बाय, से हाय।
No training kit. First day of pre-season rules that you get your training kit once you're there. So let's see what colors they have for the keepers now. Honey trap. I didn't like the colors they had last year and the years before that, and the years before that, and many more years before that, because I've been here for too long now. चलो भाई। Two shoes, two gloves. म्यूजिक तो मैं चला देता हूँ। अरे भाई, अरे डेविड भाई, कैसा है भाई? पाजी को पार्किंग नहीं करना था, तुम लोग दो गाड़ी का पार्किंग ले रहे। हाँ, लाइक दिस।
वही मैं इसको बोल रहा हूँ।
यू टेकिंग टू कार्स। हाँ
गुड। पाजी कैसे है?
ए ब्रदर, मेरा गाड़ी भी पार्क कर देना इधर। गुड ब्रो, हाउ आर यू?
रॉडमैन पर्सनालिटी।
रॉडमैन ब्रदर। सैलरी आया, सब लोग वापस आया भाई। हाउ आर यू?
गुड पाजी।
हाय भाई, वेलकम। अरे रशीद भाई, वेलकम बैक। सैलरी आया, सब लोग आया। अभी डर में अभी ब्लॉन्डी ब्रो। मैं भाई तो अपना मालूम ही ऑलरेडी अपना चल रहा है। ये क्या कर रहे हैं तू? क्या कर रहे हैं? हाँ? जा खेल, उसको भागने दे। कैसा है रोशु? शिवाल्डो, गुड परफॉर्मेंस ब्रदर। व्हाट डू यू थिंक? हनी ट्रैप, लुक लाइक हनी ट्रैप। पकड़ ले। Talk to the camera. We are going to feature on episode 1.
मेरे को तो बहुत बोरिंग था क्योंकि बार
सब आ जाएगा।
बार टूपी भाई का शक्ल देख रहा है।
ये सब आएगा
क्या?
ऑनलाइन।
नहीं सती सर बोलेगा।
भाई इसको ऐसे रख ऐसे।
नहीं सती सर बोलना सर कैसा लग रहा है हम लोग को देख के ये
कोच आपका नहीं बोलो
Thank you so
उसके
much,
बारे
भाई।
में बोलो ना।
ये अभी
हेलो माइक चेक साउंड चेक।
ये कोच आपका नेबर है भाई?
इसको भी डायगोनली रखो। सना का तो यस क्रॉस एवरीडी द सेम फ्लोर। वो भी
Big player. Anyhow, bhai. I think good session. Another day, another rupee. Director's cut.
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता।
नहीं गाली नहीं देना।
अब फैमिली देखती है, वरना मैं ऐसे गाली दूं, ऐसे गाली दूं ना, जिंदगी भर याद रखें ये बड़े हुए।
अरे भाई!
Do it like that. Do it like.
So today was my last training session. Not my last, of course. It sounds dramatic, but last for this next 2-3 weeks. My last session with BFC, because I am going to join the Indian football team tonight, and because I'm in Bangalore, the team is also assembling in Bangalore. So we are going to make the most of it and show you the process, because it's in Bangalore, so I can join the camp on my own. I don't need to book the flight. I mean, I don't book the flight anyways. Cost cutting. So I'll be joining the camp tonight and giving you an insight, what packing and all this will happen, and then driving to the team hotel, going there, hopefully bumping into someone, saying hello, hi, and then have some food and go to sleep. People have not seen that yet, so we are bringing this to you. Hopefully you like, subscribe and follow. So yes, now I'm on the way back home from training, and once I'm back, then I will shower and all this kind of things, because I forgot my towel. Good old me. So shower, get ready, packing, and say my heartfelt goodbyes to my cats. It is the most difficult thing that I have to do today. Even training was not that difficult. What I'm about to do now is very painful and difficult. Look into those eyes of my cats and say goodbye. I will see you soon. This is the most heartbreaking thing. Sad music will play now. So thankfully I have my friend, Mr. Hussein. He's a very good friend, like my brother. So he helps me out in these kind of scenarios, and comes every now and then to take care of my kids, because they need to be fed. Because hungry cats, they are living the good life, my cats. Sleep, wake up, eat, then sleep. And if they want to play with you or ask for attention, all they have to do is meow. When you're a part of a team, especially national team, and everyone is staying at a team hotel, you need to be there as well. And as being a senior member in the team, I need to make sure that I'm there, present, in the faces of everyone, every single meeting, and hanging out in the treatment room. Need to be there. Plus, it's the rules. You can't, do what you like. So, plus, if you go, you stay for free. Huh? Over here, I have to pay. Use brain, bro. Right. Yeah, sure. No one knows the password. Hello, Flower and Kevin. Hello. 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 Say hi. Go in. Go. You're not allowed outside. Check. smell of goodness. Stand by. Paneer, stand by. And this is my friend Parana. Wallahi! शुरू हो गया. टेंशन नहीं लेने के. भाई पराठे भी बना रहे हो, कुत्ते भी बना रहे हो. But he doesn't know. I have to go to hotel and eat dinner there. अब बना दे तुमने sleeping पराठा तो we have to have the sleeping parathas, man. But don't worry, it is gluten free. We don't eat unhealthy. I have to just remind you that unhealthy नहीं, gluten free आटा का है भाई. ऐसे ही enjoy करना पड़ता है थोड़ा थोड़ा. So no stress. All taken care of. Yeah, that is paneer.
Is it paneer?
Paneer and tofu. Some protein after training, you know, is very important. Some protein, all the
Yeah, boy.
training kiya jo uska the burnings and the recoverings in the paneers and the tofus and the parathas. Gluten free. You लोग को खाना दीजिए? Yeah. You also full. Soon I will be full. Chub chub. Chub chub. This is the YouTube. This is Chubby. We are going to make money from this because it's gonna be more than 8 minutes. So all you have to say is meow. Only when he wants attention, she is a meow.
And the other one?
Come flower. That's why quick treat. You know why I'm so quick? Because I'm running after my cats. Legendary stuff. People on YouTube can see. This is a copy of the lineup from the people who think it's not legit can go through this if they like. And this is me just trying to go digital with my sketches. ये नहीं है, ये digital-less है, ये digital. And this is an offer letter which I had but it didn't go through. I was going to join BFC, but it was supposed to be another BFC. It was Boa Vista Football Club.
Where's the different side?
Huh? Sad, matlab, I don't know. Sports Authority of Portugal. I don't know. तो BFC वो गलत so visa नहीं लगा ना इसलिए I had to go to BFC. So because I didn't get the visa, hence Indian BFC. So that's हिला डाला ना. Bad habits. मैं लेता हूँ टेंशन. Oh my God! Sit and watch television and eat. Want some?
No.
Why? These days, man. Supplements that we have to take. Some moringa, wheatgrass, important in the morning. And we leave. This is a house for cats, not for me.
It's not necessary, no.
Hello, Jarvis. The boots they get filled with air. Let's go, brother.
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता।
नहीं, गाली नहीं देना।
फैमिली देखती है, वरना मैं ऐसे गाली दूं, ऐसे गाली दूं ना, जिंदगी भर याद रखें ये बड़े भाई।
अरे भाई
Do it like that. Do it like.
Swiggy Instamart services available all over Bengaluru. Nowadays there are apps for anything, so even if you miss something, I'm sure you can find an app where a person can just go to your house, ring the bell, and you can ask your friend to hand something over. It's that easy. Life is easy now. If you want entertainment, not much to do. All you have to do is open YouTube and go to my channel. Like, share and subscribe, guys. Welcome to Bengaluru traffic. Now we are going to get in the thick of it. We are right now on the highway to Garden City. Is the Garden City?
Apparently.
This is the Garden City. We are on the highway going from the airport to the city. I'm pretty sure Bengalurians, you know this route. As you know, our airport is outside the city and now we are going towards the city. On my right is supposed to come the Air Force airstrip. This Air Force airstrip had one of the best air shows that I've seen from the terrace of my house. What beautiful sights. My editing skills. And my editing skills, brother, compared to yours, it is like
A few moments later.
you know, it's like Liverpool versus
No one said BFC.
no, not BFC. I don't want to diss any club, man.
One eternity later.
From one third division team in second division team in India, if they play against Liverpool first team, this is the quality difference between your editing and mine.
Okay.
I just do it because I'm bored.
It's coming out well.
Homework, brother. Try and fail. You know, make and fail. No worries. I'm dirty. घबराहट हो रही है मेरे को ट्रैफिक देखी. Should we order food? Apparently this is the new thing. People order food.
Yeah.
Traffic. सब जाओ मॉम. आज ही क्यों जाना मॉम?
iPhone 17, new Apple Store.
Better go to Sunil Chetri.
Yeah,
He will help me out. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if you guys buy phones every time a new phone comes. I am still using iPhone 13. I mean, 13. Whatever. Can't change phones again and again. Firstly, it's too expensive. Secondly, it's not practical. Changing a phone every year.
But Chetribai does it a lot, no? Every season I see him with the new phone.
मेरे को फ्री में मिलेगा मैं भी करेगा. Company Gold.
You tell me one thing. Before this man on that bus was there, you were all around Bangalore. On the same BMTC buses.
Oh yeah.
White gold. But now it has been taken over by that Artica man with a phone like this. Have you seen that?
I have not seen the Artica man.
You've not seen? I'll show you. Not that. But he's there on all the buses.
He's like what we were.
Yeah, they've replaced you. And Chetribai and Bekebai.
Sad. I think the recharge finished. So now there is new people with new recharge. This is the spirit of Bangalore. Once we start something, we don't end. We make sure we fight till 12 a.m. We start at 8 o'clock in the morning and we finish 12 a.m. Spirit of Bangalore. What a world. No problem. Mr. D Money. Rest of the boys are coming. All the people are on the way. Everyone is in Nammauru traffic. Ride made me very cautious. See the view. Traffic view. If I see, because the room is right in front of the lift, if I see a junior boy coming in, like a 23 boy or something, other day and then.
Yeah, boy.
I think that's it, guys. I hope you liked this episode, not episode, this video, this part of the video. And this is me joining the National Team camp. And hope to come with more stuff ahead. Maybe not in the National League because more restrictions, but I'll try to share as much as I can, and maybe once the camp is finished, then we'll do it again. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe.
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता.
नहीं, गाली नहीं देना.
फैमिली देखती है, वरना मैं ऐसे गाली दूं, ऐसे गाली दूं ना, जिंदगी भर याद रखें ये बड़े भाई.
अरे भाई!
Do it like that. Do it like.
So just for people to know where we are going, we're going to Mumbai with superstars Sunil Chhetri, Roshan, to meet another superstar, Usain Bolt. SC11 भी आ गया. हम लोग सबसे सब्सक्राइब लेके प्रूफ ले रहे हैं. कौन सा ले? हाँ. याऊ मेरा भाई. पाजी का भी एल्गोरिदम में स्पैम कर देना. क्योंकि we've been playing for what 10 years together now in one club. नहीं, 8-9 साल हो गए हैं. With national team for me is 15 years. तो भाई का भी कब तक पेट्रोल चलेगा, इससे पहले कंटेंट ले लो, क्योंकि आफ्टर दैट भाई पुर कहीं पे अपने को पता नहीं. Okay, there is a deal with the photo. Deal is that you have to open YouTube and subscribe. ठीक है? Is that okay? Not a problem. देखो voluntary है, कोई किसी को force नहीं कर रहा है. चलो, next. सरप्राइज ब्रो. देखो अपना फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट भी इधर ही है.
सब कुछ हाथ निकालेगा.
सुरेश चल बोर्डिंग. We have traffic on the road and then we have traffic in the airport. Free chai is good. It tastes better. Free cha. चलो अभी आ रहे हो वीडियो में स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना इधर से ऐसे. Hussain Bolt. So Hussain bhai, I think there are two teams obviously, BFC versus Mumbai. So Hussain bhai, I think is going to either play as a neutral or play for both sides one time. Or knowing Hussain bhai is a runner, will make him run long distance. And obviously he'll play striker. Everyone wants to score goals. Hussain bhai went to Norway to give trials. So trials or training. He went for a training trip. And this summer when I went to Norway, I trained with the same club as Hussain bhai. Pretty cool. Huh? Yeah, he tried that same club. That same club. Okay guys, we are in Mumbai and we are here for interference. We are here for Hussain Bolt's meet and greet. We are going to play against him or he's going to play with us. Bengaluru FC versus Mumbai City. It's a 5v5 na bhai? 5v5.
Mumbai City FC versus Bengaluru.
Hopefully he's on BFC's side. कर लेंगे convince. JSW Power. आप अभी YouTube पे आएंगे. इंडिया की टीम के लिए फुटबॉल कभी ये क्या किया ये तुमने क्या किया? अच्छा Hussain Bolt, authenticity of old Mumbai.
इसका राज क्या है? मतलब एग्जैक्ट अंदर वाला बताओ खबर. आपको जो स्मेल आ रही है वो नहीं आ रही, मेरा तो
नहीं. यहाँ लगता है भी अमीर लोग रहते हैं यहाँ पे. चला जाए एक गेम तो लग ही जाएगा जाने से पहले. मेरे को पता है टाइम है अपने पास. चलो भाई. That was fun 20 minutes. चलो हुसैन भाई के पास. Hussain. I'm not saying. I'm saying Hussain. What if we meet Hussain? Hussain bhai.
पैसा ही पैसा हो गया. अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता.
नहीं गाली नहीं देना.
फैमिली देखती है, वरना मैं ऐसे गाली दूं, ऐसे गाली दूं ना, जिंदगी भर याद रखें ये बड़े भाई.
अरे भाई
Do it like that. Do it like.
No, Hussein. I'm not saying. I'm saying Hussein. What if we meet Hussein? Hussein, bye. Oh, uncle.
दोनों में से कौन सा अच्छा लगा या try
Pickle,
करा
though, I like mango pickle. I like mixed pickle. But pickle is not good, na, too oily. मैं जब पहली बार आया था ना मुंबई में, क्या 2002 या ऐसे कुछ 2005 में, तो बैग नहीं ऐसे ही फैमिली के साथ था, मेरी इधर फैमिली भी है, तो बैग देना ऑफ कोर्स द फिएट टैक्सी, उसके पीछे लिखा होता है SL वर्ल्ड।
SL वर्ल्ड जाऊंगा मैं।
SL वर्ल्ड जाऊंगा मैं, घर नहीं जाऊंगा मैं। So there's a backstory of why I'm connected to Mumbai. My mother is born in Mumbai. She knows Marathi everything. मम्मी, नानी, मामा दोनों को सबको आती है मराठी। My nana, he was a constable in Mumbai police. And then after that he drove taxi also here for many years. तो अपनी जो फिएट टैक्सी है मेरे नाना ने इधर बॉम्बे में चलाई है बहुत, तो that's how I'm connected to Mumbai. किन लुइस, हम लोग भाई हुसैन भाई का ट्रैफिक में फंसा है भाई। हाँ भाई
प्लीज एक
ले दे
जल्दी मार
जल्दी
नहीं और नहीं हो सकता
ओ दिस इज नाइस
nice.
दिस इज कूल यार। हाउ आर यू सब्सक्राइब बोलने हैं
Yeah, boy.
Nice to meet you.
Sunil Chhetri is the goat of football in India.
भाई ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर रहे ना आप लोग? भाई मिश्रा साहब क्या हाल है? सब्सक्राइब कर लो मैनू। हाय हाउ आर यू? ऑल गुड यार, थैंक यू। तो ये कंट्रोवर्शियल काम मत कर। किट अक्षय के पास है, इधर है इधर। खड़े होते मिला ही नहीं। हुसैन भाई गुस्से में हैं। मुंबई वाले मेरी तस्वीरें ले रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है ये? भरा है ही नहीं सामान, आ ही तक इंडिया कैंप पे तो आ रहे हैं। न्यू सब्सक्राइबर, क्रॉस कोलैबोरेशन ब्रो। नहीं वो मुंबई का है, हम लोग BFC में। At least we should look. He has someone similar to his height. We are not going to go.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Come on.
Come on, that's one nice screen. 1, 2, 3.
पतले हैं ना। When I was training in the club over there, they told me about it, like how he came as well, and must be a good experience.
Come on.
Main player scored. That's main. Now we get paid.
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता।
नहीं गाली नहीं देना।
अब फैमिली देखती है, वरना मैं ऐसे गाली दूं, ऐसे गाली दूं ना, जिंदगी भर याद रखें ये बड़े हुए।
All controversial only. What will you put in the vlog? अरे भाई!
Do it like that. Do it like that.
This is the intro for this video. So this is us going to a shoot. And perks of living in the middle of nowhere is that you have your own training pitch. So when you have your own training pitch, you don't need to go and ask people to come. Cracks, brother. Office. Pookie मतलब?
It's a Gen Z term like.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
바쁜 거야? 문자 왔는데.
Pookalicious. How are you, भाई? Good, भाई. How are you? ये बॉल इधर ही मिल गया ना आपको?
No, I got no ball.
अच्छा. नहीं, यहाँ पे बच्चे बॉल छोड़ के जाते हैं. What are we doing?
Very simple script.
यहाँ आके तो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं.
So the first half, it's just you doing some action shots, drills, freestyling, whatever.
Freestyling.
Yeah.
Really do 10 juggles. I just grabbed my spot at the Coca-Cola FIFA World Cup Trophy Tour. मतलब ये लेके जा रहे हैं क्या World Cup?
Not World Cup. World Cup tour. It's happening in Delhi.
Take me to the World Cup, man.
We'll try to figure out something.
Yeah, भाई. बस.
That's also subject to ISL.
ISL छोड़ के जाएंगे भाई. जब हो ही नहीं रही तो. Nothing is happening in Indian football. Players have to get their own pitch and play. भाई ये तो ग्रास पे नहीं कर लेना चाहिए था अपने को. We should have gone to the facility CSC.
They allow?
They have a grass pitch there, man.
They allow?
Allow तो नहीं करेंगे, अगर पूछेंगे फटाफट निकल जाएंगे वहाँ से. It's convenience, but what they want me to do is inconvenient.
It's only diving thing.
Only diving is the biggest problem.
There's only one shot of that. Everything else is
Freestyle.
just getting into stand is that.
So it's basically all of this. What is this? There's a gamer stretch.
They want that.
फुल इंटेंस भाई कह रहा है फुल इंटेंस. ISL का शूट हम लोग खुद ही कर रहे हैं है ना ब्रो. ISL शूट ना. अभी ISL बोलेंगे तो अपने को कॉपीराइट तो नहीं मारेगा लोग. Right now no one. We should own buy with the 847 rupees revenue that we have made.
So I'll stand there.
ये पता है तुम सब YouTube में आ रहे हो और ये जो चल रहा है ना ये how brands make people work. तो स्ट्राइकर वेट करता है मेरी कि भाई तू you get ready, then only I'll shoot. चल भाई.
अरे अभी भी देनी ऑर्डर कर दे या रेड कार्ड दे दूं? वन टाइम वंडर, वन डायलॉग, टेक वन. कैमरा इधर कर ले जा. टू टेक वंडर. मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं खड़े जाऊंगा. लो वीडियो बंद कर. It's time to save the Coke.
Coca-Cola.
Hi guys, I'm planning on hosting a 5v5 game here with me on this pitch. So make sure that you follow the link in the description and register yourself because I'll be inviting about, let's say, 9 of you to come and play a 5v5 game with me here. So make sure that you do register.
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता.
नहीं गाली नहीं देना.
फैमिली देखती है, वरना मैं ऐसे गाली दूं, ऐसे गाली दूं ना, जिंदगी भर याद रखें ये बड़े हुए.
वो तो टेढ़ा है, वो टेढ़ा है.
अरे भाई
Do it like that. Do it like, do it like.
और they think it's Sunil. सेबा इतना प्रॉब्लम. मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता, इसके अंदर भी नहीं दे सकता गाली. Starbucks. This is BTS from Navdeep. तो हम लोग यहाँ जा रहे हैं. पाजी का फॉलोइंग 200 हो गया, 200 हो गए, होने वाला है. तो ये एपिसोड का नाम होगा द 200 ये. नहीं, मैं लोग से टी बैग मांग रहा था. अच्छा है, पर जो मेरे को चाहिए वो नहीं. सेम टू सेम मोनिदा, सेम टू सेम लाके.
मैंने कर
स्टोरेज नहीं 200 टाइम्स हो गए.
भाई मैं हम लोग क्या ना, मैं 3 बार 10 बार किया मैं
सब्सक्राइब किया ना, बड़ी वीडियो को भी लाइक करो.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा।